But every businessman is doing it.
What do you mean by every businessman is doing it?
This may not be proper. This may not be proper. This may not look sound. This may not look ideal.
No,
more so when politician does it. But as I
Mr.
said,
Hari Prasad, General Secretary of the Congress Party. One second, before I come back to Chandan Mitra, because this is getting very... Mr. Hari Prasad, Chandan Mitra, I'll come to you. Mr. Hari Prasad, two arguments have come. Nitin Gadkari is a businessman and a politician, nothing strange. B, lot of people are doing it. Why are you making a big deal of it? Your response to the BJP tonight.
Well, Mr. Arnab,
yeah.
I don't know whether to answer a businessman or a politician. I am not a businessman. I am not in a position to answer a businessman. I would like to answer Mr. Oja, who was saying that Mr. Gadkari has got two heads. And Gadkari has two tongues also. So thing is, the Bharatiya Janata Party, which was claiming tall claims were there, talking of high morals and party with difference, chal, chalan, chintan, chehra, charitra. Everything is exposed. He is the second president of the Bharatiya Janata Party who is caught in the malpractices, and one was in jail and who has come out on bail. And this man who's been caught on the malpractices, and prima facie it is a fictitious companies, fake companies where huge money has been involved, and still they are defending him. It's very unfortunate. And of late, after the exposure of Mr. Gadkari, the Bharatiya Janata Party has become the epitome of the hypocrisy, which claims it has got the high morals, which doesn't exist. Which doesn't exist.
One second, Chandan Mitra, you raised your... Let him complete. Let him complete. Let him come. He's saying tonight, you've become the epitome of hypocrisy. Not you, but the BJP. Let him make his points and coming back to you. Yes, Mr. Hari Prasad, please complete. Yes, we'll get the response.
And for your information, in Karnataka, Mr. Yediyurappa is on his way out. And I heard Mr. Chandan Mitra talking about the Congress Party, and I have been hearing him for the past so many years. But for his information, whenever Congress has found some malpractices or people involved in any corrupt practices, the Congress has taken actions or rectified those things.
Yeah.
But where is the action from the Bharatiya Janata Party?
No, they have.
One second, let me complete.
No, they have in the past. They have in the past. Bangaru Lakshman was sacked on the same evening after the Tehelka sting showed him accepting a cash bribe.
No. Sacked? No, he is still the active member of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
No, L.K. Advani gave up his Lok Sabha seat after the Hawala allegation surfaced. He gave it up.
Okay. And you can take, there is ample of examples, lot of examples in this country where Bharatiya Janata Party leaders have involved in these corrupt practices. Even in Chhattisgarh, the CAG has indicted the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh.
Sir, this question, please answer a straight question before I go.
Politicize the whole thing. I think let us not politicize this. Let us discuss the propriety in the politics.
No, my question
is morality in the politics.
No,
that is what
we want to discuss. But I first want to get a consensus. I want to get a consensus from this panel that let's discuss all the difficult issues. If I have to discuss morality in politics, then I must also ask you, with all respect, please don't take it otherwise and then say you are running an anti-Congress agenda. Please tell me, Mr. Hari Prasad, which Haryana politician has resigned after the allegations regarding Robert Vadra came in the public eye? Please tell me.
Well, you see, nobody has said, look, you are talking of probity in public life.
Yes, I am.
Nobody said that something illegal has happened there in Haryana.
See, the definition of what is illegal and what is not, what is propriety and what is not, is changes depending on who you are asking the question.
Yes.
However, I bring the focus back on...
Well, my dear...
Yes, Mr. Hari Prasad, you don't really have an answer to that one, do you? That is your actually...
I'm telling you now, if there's anything...
That is your weak point.
If there is anything illegal in Haryana, please take the legal course. You are free to take any action. He doesn't get... He's not a member of the political party.
That's what exactly we are saying.
Nor is it... No, please, Mr. Oja, hold on for a while. If you talk of morality, you tell Mr. Narendra Modi that he was indicted by the PAC in Suflam and Sujalam.
This is the problem. The moment none